Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, we have started first chapter in our regular classes, but let us repeat this first chapter once again. It's some part once again. The first chapter of your second part is human geography, nature and scope. What is human geography? That we will discuss. Human geography is a subject which deals with numbers of human activities. Let us see here. First of all, link of this subject with other subjects. We have studied in 11. Geography is very extensive subject. We have studied that there are numbers of branches with geography is connected. Some examples: climatology, geomorphology. There were numbers of examples we have studied in class 11. Let us turn towards next point. Reach of geography is extensive. Geography is very vast subject. In class 11 we have studied that there were numbers of debates about its study, approach of study, that should be systematic or that should be regional approach. So geography is very vast subject. Its reach is very long. It covers numbers of subjects. Geography is a subject which comes under numbers of various subjects, and we study various subjects in geography also. Earth. We have seen two components. There are two components on the earth. What are these two components? First, nature, and second, human beings. So what are the other parts of nature? So what are the components of nature? That also we have seen. There are several components of nature like plain, plateau, mountain, natural things. We call them physical features also. And human beings, human components, things which are developed by we people, that are human beings, that are human components, that we have also studied. Next is debates on geography. There are numbers of debates that what is the main purpose, what or how this subject should be studied, what are the main purposes, what are the main areas, what are the main ways to study this subject, what is the main aim of this subject. So there are two different things we have seen: law making and descriptive, that is nomothetic and ideographic. So what is nomothetic? Nomothetic means tendency to generalize, to make types of settlement, types of forest, types of soil, types of mountains, types of rivers, types of cyclones. So this kind of tendency to generalize is called law making or nomothetic. Means to derive laws, and on the basis of that laws we can categorize, we can generalize, we can make types. Second thing, that is descriptive. It is tendency to understand the different phenomena of geography. So people are making debates about how this subject should be studied. In class 11 also we have seen there were debates on the approaches, regional approach or systematic approach. So in that same way here also, that is nomothetic or ideographic. Once again, it's very simple. Nomothetic, tendency to generalize, and ideographic, tendency to understand. In this first point, to derive laws, and on the basis of that laws, on the basis of that particular law or definition, we can divide the streams of various subjects. So tendency to generalize and tendency to understand. Now nature and human are inseparable mix. Human geography and physical geography, these are inseparable. We cannot separate them. These subjects are interdependent. These subjects are interrelated. That's why we generally use several words of human anatomy for natural phenomena like face, eye, mouth, snout, neck, and profile. So what we use? Face of the earth. We use the human anatomy words for physical phenomena. So face of the earth, eye of cyclone, mouth of the river. In this way we use profile, soil profile. So these are the words we use. It shows that these subjects are inseparable. There are no separation between these two subjects. Generally, most of the people created questions about the differences between physical and human geography, but these two subjects are mixed. We have studied in book also dichotomy which was created, these subjects, contrasting subjects, that thing we have studied. Next, German geographer. German geographer explained, what he explained, state or country is living organism. State, country, maybe it is divided by political boundaries or maybe it is divided by physical boundaries, because there are some countries in Africa, some countries and their borders are divided on the basis of rivers. So people, their states are divided by nature and some physical features are divided by human. Try to understand the interaction. Two human settlements are divided by river. So river is a physical feature and human settlement is a human feature. Somewhere physical features are divided by human. Two countries are divided by one particular latitude also. So this is explained by German geographer. State or country is living organism. Now next, there are numbers of means of transportation we are using regularly, like road, railway, waterway. These are arteries of circulation, like blood circulation, we are having veins. So these are also very much important in the field of country. Finally, what should we define about human geography? This is introduction first of all. What should we define about human geography? So human geography is a subject which deals with physical features and human features. Human geography is a subject which create relations or create interaction between physical features and human features.